So this is an example of the spreadsheet that you can set up to also do the calculations. And so in your spreadsheet, just set up as many input variables as you need. So for mine, I'm just doing that my function y is x plus z. So I would set up x and z, and then set up a space for your function for y. And then you can type in whatever initial value you're going to use for x and whatever initial value you're going to use for z or any of your other parameters. And if you have 10 parameters, this is going to push this out a little bit further. And then in y, just do an equal sign, and then you can do your function. If your function's pretty much just using like powers and things like that, you can enter it in. In Excel, if you want to raise something to power, it's the shift 6, so you get the little up caret and then the power. Or you could always just multiply something by itself. For us though, mine, I'm just doing x plus z, so I'm just going to enter the function. I've clicked on A8, so it popped up in my formula. I clicked on B8, so it popped up in my formula. I could also just enter equals A8 plus B8 and then press enter, confirm that it's working, and then every time you enter in some new values, then it'll give you a new value for y, and then go back and just format it. So you may want to change the color where you have your input set up, change the color where you have your output set up, and then you can go back and add borders up here. So thick outside border around each of these. And if you're using Sheets with Google, it works pretty much the same way. If you're doing a function where you've got some trig functions and or something like that, you're not really sure how they work, you can do equals, and then you have this f of x bar here that'll help you to insert a function. And as you go, let's try typing in sine. And then notice it's not real prominent, but notice that it will tell you some information about it. So just like with C++, if you're using sine or cosine or one of the other trig functions, the angle needs to be in radians. And then it gives you a formula that you can use to convert to radians if you need to. Okay. All right, thanks for watching.